Here we go, we're back again with GeoGebra. This time we are going to do a little bit more than translation. So I will stick with function fx equals to x squared. Then I drag it to the place where I like. Now I want it to be a bit wider so that I can have a better curve. To do that, I will have to test a little bit on those. To help me on that, I will use slider. Slider doesn't work for function, or maybe it does, but we'll try to use the equation to do that. So y equals to a times x squared, a times bracket x plus b square plus c. Remember, plus is moving to the left, so if you want to be easier, you can use minus. Both should be fine. Now, I'm going to hide this by clicking the bullet here. Now the function gone, and I'm going to click on the slider. Click it 3 times, so A is the first one, B is the second one, and C is the third one. Just like we are playing with the finding pattern. So I move it in there a bit. Right, after I got my ABC ready, I can press enter here to make sure the function goes with the variables A, B, and C. Now I can play around with it. So if I want, I get back to our original function 2. If you want to be precise, you can play with the arrow. Now the vertex is the same as the one we have before. However, I want it to be wider, so I will have 0.3. The smaller A gets, the wider it goes. The bigger A gets, the narrower it goes. If it goes to negative, I will flip the other side. Another way to do it is by animation. I'll leave B and C as a constant, and then I right-click on that A, Object Properties. Now I'll click on Animation On. It will keep moving, so I close that and have a look at it. Now wait for the shape you really like. It will flip really fast and it goes between 0 and 1. Now, again, I will leave it as it is, so that assume that I like this curve here. Now, I will have to remember what A, B, and C is. Originally, we have A times B squared plus, which is similar pattern as this one. So all I need to do is I add a value in front of the function. So it's 0.4 for A, so I'm going to add that here. Now I got the same function as D, which we want to be. Once you are happy with that, we need to cut the equation short to make it look like a chair. So to help me, I will cut it from the 3 and 1 to make it look like a seat. Then I will have to type it here, a new function, a new command. Function square bracket, and then only the expression I have with this bit. So I will type in 0.4 times, make sure a little star for times, x minus 2 bracket square plus 1. That is the bit I tell the computer that I want to draw. Now the ending bit is the starting bit is -2 from left to right, remember, and the ending bit is 3. Once I press enter, it seems nothing different. Now I remove that and I zoom it out. I got a little seating chair bit to get things done. As you double click it again, you can see -2 and -3. This is the limit or the range we put it for x value, starting point, ending point. Once you do that, you are able to cut your function. So you have been transforming the function with translation and stretching. There you go.